Everyone, my topic is all about the helping art of clinical nursing. Introduction. Ernestine Weidenbach was a nurse, tourist, educator, and author. She developed the helping art of clinical nursing theory in the 1960s. The theory focuses on helping patients through understanding their needs and providing individualized care. For example, a nurse noticed that a patient looks anxious before surgery. Instead of just preparing the tools, the nurse takes time to sit beside the patient, talk calmly, and reassure them that everything will be okay. That simple act of understanding and comfort shows the helping art of nursing. Main concept: nursing is viewed as a helping art, not just procedures, but understanding the patient. Emphasize the importance of the nurse-patient relationship. Focus on meaningful and compassionate care. For example, when a nurse assists a diabetic patient, she doesn't only check blood sugar or give insulin. She also teaches the patient about proper diet, listen to their fear about their condition, and encourage them to stay strong. This caring and understanding approach reflects the helping art that Weidenbach emphasized. Ernestine Weidenbach has four key elements of the theory: the nurse's philosophy, the purpose, the practice, the art of nursing. The nurse's philosophy, beliefs, and values guiding nursing action. The purpose, the goal or reason for nursing action to help the patient. The practice action takes to meet patient needs. The art of nursing, skillful and compassionate use of knowledge. For example, a nurse believes that every patient deserves respect and comfort. Her purpose is to ease a patient's pain. She gives patient medication and monitoring the patient while speaking kindly and showing empathy. Art of nursing. Next line. 1, 2, 3, 2. The patient need for help. Central concept of the theory. The nurse recognizes when a patient cannot meet their own needs. Focuses on individualized and holistic care. For example, a stroke patient is unable to feed themselves due to weakness on one side of their body. The nurse observes this difficulty and assists the patient with feeding while encouraging small movement to promote recovery. The nurse also talks gently and gives emotional support. The helping art components. Weidenbach identified 3 components of the helping art. 1. Identification. Understanding the patient needs. 2. Ministration. Providing the needed help. 3. Validation. Confirming that the help is effective. For example, a patient is feeling dizzy. The nurse helps the patient sit down, check vital signs, and give water. Later, the nurse asks if the patient feels better and monitor again. Next. Sige na? Di-stop mo?
Ay,
1, 2, 3, 2. The patient need for help. Central concept of the theory. The nurse recognizes when a patient cannot meet their own needs, focuses on individualized and holistic care. For example, a stroke patient is unable to feed themselves due to weakness on one side of their body. The nurse observes this difficulty and assists the patient with feeding while encouraging small movement to promote recovery. The nurse also talks gently and gives emotional support.
Measure of assumptions. Every person receives their needs uniquely. Okay, so ibig sabihin, iba-iba ang paraan ng bawat tao sa pag-unawa sa kanilang pangangailangan. Nursing is a good directed to help individuals regain independence. So ibig sabihin, ang pangunahing tungkulin ng nurse ay tulungan ng pasyente na gumaling. The nurse-patient relationship is based on the trust and understanding. Ibig sabihin, mahalaga ang nurse at ang pasyente ay may tiwala sa isa't isa. Dapat may tiwala ang pasyente na alagaan siya ng maayos ng nurse. And dapat naman, ang nurse ay may pangunawa at respeto sa kanyang patient. Application in nursing practice. Applied in the clinical settings to meet physical, emotional, and spiritual needs. Ginagamit sa mga klinik o sitwasyon upang tugunan ng physical or emotional at spiritual ang pangangailangan ng pasyente. Encourage the active communications and empathy. Dapat marunong makinig at makiramdam ang nurse sa sitwasyon ng patient. Halimbawa, kapag may pasyente na may naramdamang sakit, nakikinig ang nurse at inaayos ang paraan ng pag-aalaga ayon sa needs ng patient. Strength and limitations. Strength, promote the compassion and understanding. Pinopromote ang pagpapakita ng malasakit at pag-unawa. Individual encourage the individual care and communications. Encourage the personalized to individual na pangangalaga at mabuting communication sa patient. Limitation, less focus on the system or technology, more centered or interpersonal aspect care. Mas naka-centered sa pakikitungo at relation kaysa sa technical na aspect na pangangalaga. Sa conclusion is Ernest and Wittbach theory remind us that nursing is an art helping not just a science, it's emphasize or empathy. Empathy purpose the deep human connection between the nurse and patient. So Wittbach A. 1964 as a clinical nursing's helping art, nursing theory in Ernestine Wittbach as a theorist. That's all.